I want to be the rich and successful, but I don't have any clue that where to start. So what should I can do? Many people don't have any type of the clue and where from they can start. But whatever you are just doing, you put your 100%, put all of everything. I mean, what I am doing that not matter. Whatever I am doing, I should put my everything on doing that thing. I mean, if you're putting all of your effort, energy, dedication, productivity, and all of your performance to make the things better, trust me, whatever decisions you are making, doing something great, you're doing something good, you are doing something bad, everything is going to work for you. So put all of everything, whatever you can for something, and if you're putting all everything for your work, just trust me, the result and outcome going to be better